Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Hannah, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Good. What color do you like?
I blue.
Blue. What do you see here? What do you see?
See,
I see
I see
toys.
toy.
What toy do you like?
I
I like
teddy bear.
teddy bear. What color is the dog?
Eat yellow and pink.
Thanks. What's this?
Eat blue and
What is this?
eat car.
Train. What is that?
Eat car.
Very good. What is the blue number?
Eat a 18.
What is the red number?
Eat a 16.
No, it's 16. What is this?
Eat 19.
Good. What do you see in this picture?
I
I see.
somebody.
What are they?
They are mom and dad.
What are they?
They are grandfather and grandmother.
Who is she?
She is sister.
Good. What is this?
Eat a dog.
Sword. What is this?
Eat a whole office.
What's that?
Eat a pen.
Very good. Thank you. You're doing well. How many people are there in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
What are they?
They are dad, mom, daddy, grandfather, grandmother, and me.
Very good. Thank you, my friend. Well answered. Alright, what is he doing?
He's jump.
He's jumping.
He's jumping.
What is he doing?
He is
Wait.
waving.
What are they doing?
They are swimming.
Good. That's it, my friend. Alright. Can she climb?
Yes, yes, she can.
Cool. Can they dance?
Yes, they can.
Good. Can she do push-ups?
Yes, she can.
Can she sing?
Yes, yes, she can.
Can you do push-ups? You? No, I?
No, I can.
That's it. Good job. Do you have long or short hair?
Long is a long head.
Do you have big or small nose?
No,
It's
is a small nose.
What color are your eyes?
I have brown eyes.
Thank you. Good job. Brown eyes. Okay. Alright. Is this wavy or straight? It's
Wavy.
Is this long or short?
Long.
It's long. Right. What is the red shape?
Is triangle.
They sound like each other, but it's not. It's a rectangle.
Rectangle.
What's this?
Is circle.
That?
It's square.
Right. What do you like? What farm animal do you like? I like.
Farm animal.
Nope. Okay, you like farm animals, but which one? Me, I like horse, and you?
I like sheep.
That's it. That's cute. What's that?
Is a cow.
This
Is a horse.
and that one?
Is a turkey.
Turkey? No. It's never been a turkey. It's a donkey.
Is a donkey.
Is there a fox? Is there a fox?
Yes, it is.
Yes. Is there a bat?
Yes, they are.
Is it there?
Yes, it is.
Yes, there is. Are they? Are there owls?
Yes, they are.
Good job. Alright. Do you like burgers?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chicken?
Yes, I do.
Do you like banana?
Yes, I do.
What do you have for lunch? What do you like for lunch?
I like pizza.
What do you like for breakfast?
I like
I like
the light food is sweet.
I like breakfast with fish. Okay. What's this?
It's a pumpkin.
What's that?
Orange.
Grapes?
Green.
No, grapes.
Red.
Grapes.
Green.
What's that?
It's a pearl.
What's this?
It's a pineapple.
Do you like yogurt? Do you like yogurt?
No, I don't.
Do you like cereal?
Yes, I do.
Is juice healthy?
Yes, I do.
No, you don't do. Yes, it is.
Yes, it
Yes,
is.
it is. No, it isn't. Is coffee healthy?
No, it isn't.
Is croissant healthy?
Yes, it is.
Is noodle healthy?
No, they are.
Really? You ask a single, you answer in plural. That's nice. What's this?
It's a pizza.
And this?
It's a sweater.
What are those? Yeah.
They are sneakers.
Yeah. Very right. What's this?
It's a hat.
That one?
It's a cat.
Here.
It's a boot.
They are blue.
They are boots.
What is he wearing? He's wearing
He's wearing a kid hat.
what is he wearing?
He's
He's wearing
wearing a kid hat.
helmet. What is she wearing?
She's
She's wearing
a white dress.
thank you. How is the weather? It's raining
It's raining.
here
It's snowing.
and here.
It's sunny.
Right. Very good. What day is it?
It's sunny.
No, it's Sunday.
It's Sunday.
And what day is it?
It's Tuesday.
What day is it?
It's Wednesday.
Very good job, Hannah. Better than last time. Bye bye, my friend.